Okay, this is my son Scott, and he's going to show you how this little mini UFO helicopter works. It's a lot of fun. And so, all right, Scott, go get it up there, and don't bring it down so fast. Just very good. See that? That's very fun. He has a fun time with it. It's very easy to control, isn't it, Scott? You can let it go as high as you want, as high as the ceiling will allow. And then you control it coming back down, and you can just hover it around. Okay, do it again. We can do a close-up shot of it. Kids have a lot of fun with it.